on the camera by myself. But this is the next video. Wait, let me get my shoes to the other side first. Go. Over here. Okay, now let's move on to the next one.
Was that still happy place?
Yeah.
I just back.
Where did you come from?
I just back from the kitchen.
What?
I need to eat something.
What did you eat? Peas?
A piece of chocolate.
Ew! I hate chocolate. Just kidding, I love chocolate. Don't forget the flyer. I'm sick. Just kidding. I'm happy. What? Oh, nothing. How do you get this one out? It's so hard. This one has no child. What?
No, you haven't opened it yet.
This is the one I... Oops. I opened the wrong one.
Mix them up.
What? This one's open.
Just empty bag. It's pink. This one is pink. The other one I said is purple, right?
Oh. This one is pink flowers.
You see? What's the difference? Pink and purple.
I didn't know.
It's pink. This is pink.
Okay.
The other one is purple.
Let's slap it on.
I told you.
I didn't know. You clumsy. I'm just messing everything up. I'm just putting everything here. I'm just putting everything here. I'm gonna mess them up. I'm sleeping. I'm drowning! Look. Let's open the other packages. Well, before I was drowning. Oh, I feel so big one. I'm going to open the biggest one first. Of course I am. Oh my gosh, it has to be it. I got this before.
What can we do again? What's that?
It's something. It's a box. We got a hat. I got this hat too before. And this has to be a nail polish. Or a lipstick. Or something else that is makeup. It's a hairbrush. Yeah, you can put the hairbrush inside here. The hat, you just put it on her. And you all go with one thing. Let's open this very fast on the next video. Let's just open it. Just going on the next video now.